Wondering when your Samsung phone will get its next big software update? The wait might not be as long as you think. Samsung has recently unveiled exciting details about the rollout of One UI 7.0, and we're here to walk you through everything you need to know. This update is set to bring a fresh wave of features and improvements, so let's dive into what's coming and when you can expect it. Samsung has expanded its One UI 7.0 beta program to include a broader range of Galaxy phones, and they've also shared a timeline for the stable release. If you're eager to know when your device will receive the update, here's the breakdown. The stable version of One UI 7.0, built on Android 15, is scheduled to roll out in early April 2025. The Galaxy S24 series will be the first to receive the update, followed by older models. But before the stable version arrives, Samsung is opening the beta program to several devices, including the Galaxy S55, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Z Fold 6. This gives users a chance to explore the new features early and provide feedback to Samsung. The Galaxy S24 series was the first to get a taste of One UI 7.0, with the initial beta released in December 2024. Since then, Samsung has rolled out 3 additional beta updates, and there may be a couple more before the stable version is ready. If you're part of the beta program, you'll get an early look at the new features, but keep in mind that beta versions can sometimes have bugs or stability issues. It's a great option for tech enthusiasts who enjoy being on the cutting edge, but it might not be for everyone. Now let's talk about what's new in One UI 7.0. The update brings a significant design overhaul, giving your phone a fresh and modern look. The Quick Panel UI has been redesigned to be more intuitive, and there are smoother animations and transitions that make navigating your phone feel more polished. The icons have also been updated, and there's a new Now bar that displays your ongoing activities, making it easier to keep track of what's happening on your device. These changes are all about enhancing your user experience and making your phone more enjoyable to use. One of the standout features of One UI 7.0 is the redesigned camera app. The new layout makes it easier to access all the controls with just one hand, which is a big improvement for usability. Whether you're adjusting settings or switching between modes, the updated camera app is designed to make your photography experience more seamless. Additionally, there's a new battery icon and charging animations that make it simpler to monitor your battery life. These updates are all about making your daily interactions with your device more efficient and user-friendly. For Samsung users, especially those with newer devices, One UI 7.0 is a highly anticipated update that promises to bring a fresh look and improved functionality. However, it's important to note that while the Galaxy S24 series will be the first to receive the update, older devices may take a bit longer. Samsung typically rolls out updates in phases, so if your device doesn't get the update right away, don't worry, it will come in due time. Patience is key, especially if you're using an older model. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Thanks for reading, and we'll see you in the next one.